So you hit publish. Yeah, I know. The feeling is such a rush. You've created this beautiful content, something that you cannot wait to get out to the world. And then all of a sudden, that feeling comes in. The feeling that we all know so well. You know what I'm talking about. The digital cricket. The feeling that you pressed publish on something, but all of a sudden the algorithms aren't helping you and you aren't reaching the audience you deserve. Maybe that's because you've made bad content, but maybe it's not. Maybe it's because you don't understand what kind of content it takes to actually reach your audience. Now, I know what I'm talking about because I've spent years helping myself and others make content that goes viral online. And well, let's just say it hasn't been easy, but there really is a secret recipe, a secret formula. And I say this not to make you feel like you're outside of the secret and you have to pay me to know it, because that's what I'm gonna cover in this video today. The 4-part recipe that it takes from you to actually have viral success online and to turn your content into a real audience. Something we like to call 1,000 true fans. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bullshit. That's not true. Who the hell is this person to tell me on how to create content online? Well, my name is Marc Angelo Coppola, and I've been creating content with my own budget for my own self and my online school called Superhero Academy for a very long time. I've spent countless thousands of dollars for my own brand, as well as brands that I know you can recognize online. And well, let's just say the truth for going viral beyond things like growth hacking actually boils down to making a really good content recipe. And that's, well, tough. But maybe not as tough as you would think it is, because there really truly is a formula for doing such. Now, it's important to note that this recipe isn't a growth hacking strategy. This isn't about share for share deals. This isn't about buying followers or gaining momentum through hacking the algorithms. In fact, this is about the content itself, not the algorithm. I understand that Facebook and Instagram and all these places are constantly ever changing, but the truth is that nothing replaces telling phenomenal stories. But telling phenomenal stories is more than just the words that you're using. It's actually the way that you tell a story. Moving from camera to camera, using really good quality content is all part of it. But I think that the format is actually worth a lot more. Now, what do I mean by format? I actually believe that there are 4 types of content in the content mix that you would create that help you go viral online. And those types of content are hero, hub, help, and headline. Now, let me say that again. Hero, hub, help, headline, which fall under 2 categories of content: offense content and defense content. Now, I know this can sound really overwhelming and you might not understand what I am talking about, but that's why I created a 4-part free training series. Yeah, it's free, really free, and there's no pitch, I promise. And in this training series, I'm gonna break down the actual mechanics for making really engaging and powerful content. Because if you go out and pay attention to YouTubers out there, there really is a formula for the kinds of videos that you find online. Whether they be newsworthy videos, whether they be video podcasts, whether they're taking advantage of teaching you something like a help video would, or whether they're the kind of video that you would find on a sales page or the homepage of your website, I'm going to break that down. So all you need to do is click down below and put in your details, and I can teach you the way. So what are you waiting for? I'll see you in the classroom. Seriously, what are you waiting for? I'll see you in the Superhero Academy classroom. Go. Click the link down below. Probably in the comments, maybe not. Just go find it. See you there.